Okay, now I just want to give you guys some free advice. Yabo? So, kuna lento lega road accident fund that is happening, right? People are getting money, using lawyers. Some are doing it directly with road accident fund, and in my experience as someone who helps people get their road accident fund, I've seen a lot of corruption happening, and nami bengazi ukuthi izinto ey'kanje ziyenzeka. It's new to me. There's a client that I'm handling. I obviously can't reveal her name, but this client came to me not so long ago. We did a consultation. I took all the details down, took all the documents, and I started doing the work. Izolo, yesterday, someone calls. This person goes by the name of Zanele. Kumele nimbheke lo muntu lo. Inamba yakhe, I think ngiyibhalile phansi somewhere. Ngizoyi-reveala futhi le namba, kumele ngiyive-reveale le namba ngoba la bantu bayingozi laba. So lo Zanele lona, wazi ngisho negama lalo muntu yabo, our client. Uthi ku-client, client, hey, bheka phela, ngicela usendela ikhadi lasesibhedlela lelo abakunikeza lona at the time ungena esibhedlela. Ide-ke client ukuthi hawu kanjani manje, because phela ngayishiya nje mina lezo zinto lezo. Ephinde ebuze futhi lo Zanele lo ethi besacela ukuthi ungikhumbuza konje ukuthi wawukade uripothe kumaphi amaphoyisa kuyiphi police station. So that was another red flag for my client because she was like, but I told you guys these things. Bagcine engamnikezanga-ke, thank goodness, yabo. And then she called me afterwards, athi awuyazi phela mfethu kanje kanje. And I tried to call that number, letha lana number ngiyifonele so that I can, because I just got angry, yabo. Ngivele ngathi ngifuna ukumhwayela lo Zanele lo, ngimtshela ukuthi meke waphinda nje, yabo. Yazi le phone uyifonela vesane kukhuluma umlungu, yabo ukuthi lo mlungu automated lo. Sizokufonela, just blah blah blah, we'll call you after this call in. You can't call them, they're the ones who call you. Now umbuzo wami ukuthi bayithatha le information le ngama-client ukuthi i-client i-claim road accident fund. 2, ukuze wena uclaimele i-client udinga izinto ey'njengo-special power of attorney, what not. And futhi labantu vele befone ngathi abantu ababhizi nje ngey'nto zakho, ukuthi hey, yazi phezu kwey'nto zakho lana. Okokuqala ngobani okokuqala into kumele uyibuze wena muntu. Angithi uyazi wena ukuthi uma wahamba ufuna road accident fund waya kubaphi abameli, angithi. Okay-ke usuyafonelwa-ke, ufonelwa umuntu othi ubhizi ngeclaim yakho. Okay-ke muntu obhizi ngeclaim yami, ungubani wena obhizi ngeclaim yami? Ngiyajabula khona ukuthi khona umuntu obhizi ngeclaim yami. Ungubani-ke wena-ke? Ulo engangiye kuyena yini mina? Noma mhlambe you are someone else that I don't know. This message goes to everyone. Ngithenje angiyenze le video le. It goes to everyone owenzelwa road accident fund. Ningahambi ninika abantu i-information ecritical njengoma ama-carrier card enu. Ningahambi nitshela abantu ukuthi lama matters lawa nawa-reporta kuyiphi police station. Do not give anyone any information unless it is your attorney, lo owakhuluma naye nenza isivumelwano naye. Nina nifike nenze lana nika abantu information zidleke imali zenu bese nithi imali idliwa ama-attorneys enu. Angiphiki, ama-attorneys ayaganga these days. Aganga, amanye asebulewa adutshulwe, abanye bayaloywa, because you can't fuck around with people and just expect things to continue going well for you. Uzofa mhlawumbe uzogula ekhanda, you're gonna lose your practice mulokhu uganga ngabantu. Now, people, please wise up. Wise up. Ningalokhu futhi niya kunoma yibaphi abameli for road accident fund. Ummeli kumele kube ummeli owaziwayo ukuthi this one has honor. Yeah, understand? This one uneqiniso. I-reputation yommeli yamkhulumela. Awuyi kummeli just because ummeli. Haven't you guys seen ukuganga kwabameli on a national scale? Hayi laba abakuma-communities enu. On a national scale ukuthi abameli bayaganga. Iya kummeli one-reputation eyaziwayo ukuthi lona is a good man, is a good woman, uzongenzela into yami, iphelele, ngijabule naye ajabule. Yekani ukuyisabotaja people. Ngijatshuliswa ukuthi umuntu uthi hey sibhizi into yakho la. Hey, into yakho as soon as uyibeka kummeli wakho uyaqala isebenze kuyo. Uyafona umuntu ofonayo ongubani, okay kulungile, who are you? Hayi mina ngosibanibani angikwazi mina ngikhuluma nomuntu oyedwa mayelana nodaba lami. I don't talk to abantu abaningi, yabo. Otherwise nizoyilahlekisela nina ngey'mali zenu, izombulu zenu. Anyways, I'm Andile Ntshangase from Sengwayo Attorneys, eMtubatuba. If you need any road accident fund assistance, if you need to, have your money, to have your money, because this is what you guys love the most, money. If you need to have your things, come to us. We're going to help you. We're a big team, right? It's not just me and my principal. It's me, my principal, and a whole lot of other guys. All right. So if you need help, any kind of legal help, we don't do a road accident fund only. We do wills and estates. We do criminal litigation, bails. We do a whole array of civil litigation. We do labor claims. We pretty much do a lot of things. So if you're around, come take a visit and we might just help you out.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhudu expose i-corruption lendeka uma uclaim imali yaka-ref kesana if kwashayiswa imoto kwaba car accident and then kubantu ukufonela ukuthi kufonelwa abantu claiming ukuthi bona baka road accident fund bakufuna certain details ukuthi uhlangane namuphi daughter uye kusiphi isibhedlela into njalo ukuthi don't give out that information because dotholakala ungasayithola imali yakho, then you'll think ukuthi mhlambe loya yakhe idla imali yakho ungadi ukuthi imali yakho kahlahle kwindikani ngayo uthi aningawanaki lawo ma-calls lanjalo. Wena always mawufonela umuntu just make sure ukuthi it's someone lo wakhuluma naye uyoclaim. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.